A little problem with my camera. Basically, I'm gonna be cutting my hair today. I'm gonna be getting the coronavirus haircut. So I'm gonna start with my sides. I already started a little bit here with the number 4 on the blade. So I'm gonna be doing that first, and then I'll see what that looks like, and then I might go down a number, and we'll see what that looks like. So here we go. All right, well, so now we're gonna try a number 2. That's what a number 3 looks like on the sides. You can see a lot of my gray hair comes out too. So we're gonna try the number 2 next. I kind of want to get a buzz cut. Get rid of all that hair.
It's up to you. My poor curly cues. How long is it gonna take you to grow all that hair back?
I don't know, a month or 2. No, I mean not that long, but that's like maybe like 3 or 4 months. Okay. All right, guys. So this is what it looks like right now. I don't mind that. I think it's pretty, it's pretty good for, my wife helping me and me doing it. We're not barbers, but I think I'm gonna go and I'm gonna go ahead and just cut all these and basically make it even with these, and get the buzz cut. So here we go. Oh my gosh, Pamela! Pamela! So here we are, guys. This is what I look like. I don't know if I look younger or older. Let me know in the comments, what do you think? But I mean, I don't think it looks bad. I think it's pretty different, you could say. I am not gonna keep it like this. So basically, yeah, I have like 1 more month of quarantine, and it's probably gonna be more than that. I work in a public school, so they're going to be closed until the end of April. So I have like a whole month, and then they say it might extend after that. So that's why I basically did this now. So by then my hair will be, much longer, and I'll see what I do. But I don't think I'm gonna buzz cut it again. I don't mind the look though. I think it's pretty cool. I think we did what we could. We're not barbers. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like if you did, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.